everybody! Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Surface Pro 7. We're gonna explore it like always and see what it's good for. The ultra light and versatile at your desk, on the couch, or in the yard. Get more done in your way with Surface Pro 7, featuring a laptop class Intel Core processor, all-day battery, and HD cameras. It starts in from $749.99, or basically $42.51 per month for 24 months. Will do it. And yeah, you can also save up to $200.99, which is like a lot. So let's go forward and explore it more, see really how it is and if it's worth it or not. To the power to get more done. More power than ever. Surface Pro 7 features a laptop-class Intel Core processor, improved battery and graphics, and more multitasking connections. You can set perfect angle with built-in and kickstand with laptop-class Intel Core and keep up with you all-day battery life. It connects and keep up with the HD cameras and the studio mic. Power to fuel your ideas wherever you are and whatever you do. Surface Pro 7 stands ready with the all-day battery, built-in HD webcam, and a laptop-class Intel Core processor. Multitasking speed, powered by an Intel Core processor for stunning entertainment, incredible Wi-Fi performance, and a long battery life. Laptop, tablet, creative studio, it transforms into a desktop PC. You can get back to work in an instant and connect and keep up. So a full laptop experience anywhere. You can personalize Surface Pro 7 with our signature type cover, Surface Pen, Surface Arc mouse, all in rich colors. You can mix or match. You can connect, create, and get comfortable. Whatever your office looks like, be it a desk, couch, or dining table, Surface Pro 7 is your endlessly adaptable partner. So kick back, open with the kickstand, get creative on a screen with the Surface Pen. Keeps up with you. Your ultra slim and light companion starts at just 1.70 pounds. That's so less than what usually, lesser than what usually a laptop is. So it's so good. More ways to connect. The USB-C and the USB-A ports for connecting to displays, docking stations, and more, as well as accessory charging. You can get creative comfortably. So lower the kickstand into studio mode for natural writing and drawing angle with the Surface Pen and the Touch. A brilliant display, so you can see and do more high resolution 12.3 pixel sense display and touchscreen that automatically adjusts to the lighting conditions. A full keyboard experience that personalized with a type cover in a luxurious Alcantara material and stunning signature colors. World-class entertainment, Wi-Fi, and a battery life. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core processor, Surface Pro 7 keeps up with you with more multitasking speed, stunning entertainment, and incredible Wi-Fi performance, and all-day battery life. Do more with the Windows you know. With the Windows 10 Home, enjoy family features like password-free Windows Hello sign-in, create your best work with the Microsoft 365 on Windows, and keep photos and files safe in the cloud with the integrated OneDrive. You are the password. You can log in secure with the Microsoft Hello sign-in, the fastest, most secure way to unlock the Surface Pro. You can sync with the other devices, so including phone, iPhone, Android, OneDrive, plus keep the content safe in the cloud and access photos and files, videos across devices. Comes with the Windows 10 Home. So you have family features and trusted security. If you need additional enterprise management and security tools for your workplace, you can switch for Windows 10 Pro and purchase Surface Pro 7 for business. Get productive right away with the software you rely on. You can including Microsoft 365 on the Windows, can work smarter, sketch ideas, and edit documents with the Surface Pen. Redefining what's possible in thin and light computer. So the 10th generation Intel Core processor inside Surface Pro 7 is designed to give you a triple threat of performance, connectivity, and entertainment, opening more possibilities than ever before. Groundbreaking, intelligent performance features that adapt to you and the things you do for more personalized and responsive experience. Now with the Intel Wi-Fi 6 Plus delivers a fast and reliable Wi-Fi connection. It's incredibly immersive and entertainment feature available on select systems make it detailed and vivid 4K streaming and gaming at 1080p possible. Designed with you in mind, building on our long-lasting partnership with the Intel 10th generation Intel Core mobile processor make the high-performance, highly portable devices you've always wanted possible with multitasking speed, enhanced streaming, and incredible Wi-Fi performance and battery life, designed to last while helping you tackle a creative project with ease and make the most of the Windows and the Microsoft 365 feature you on rely on every day. Plus, more power doesn't mean more weight. Surface Pro 7 delivers detailed vivid experience in thin, light, easy to carry designs. At home or in office, so you can get more done with the fastest version of the Surface Pro 7 yet, thanks to the increased performance of 10th generation Intel Core processor and your most productive apps. So they have Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft OneNote. Work or binge. You fill your ideas or stream in vivid 4K on select system with increased performance of 10th generation Intel Core processor. We have Netflix, Spotify, and Audible Lightroom. Surface support, where you can register your Surface, you can get the Surface newspaper, and also you can power cord recall. It has a 12.3 touchscreen display, right Android natural screen with the Surface Pen, and also you can automatically adjust your lighting condition. The next generation power is a faster multitasking and improved graphics with up to 60GB RAM free. It has a multitask across Microsoft 365 apps and multiple tabs. Your laptop, your way. The Ultra Slim Lite starting at just 1.70 pounds. It transforms from tablet to laptop with a built-in kickstand removable type cover. More connections. Now with the both USB-C and the USB-A, you can connect to multiple displays, docking stations, and more. You can charge your phone and accessories. Now we're going to talk about some of the tech specs. So like you can see the different scenarios and everything, I kind of made them smaller just because they're not as important as the ones that are big. So as you can see, it's like versatile in one laptop for working the dimensions, display, and then the memory is stored from 4GB, 8GB, 16GB, and more. The processor can be 10th generation, i3, i5, or even i7. The security is Fiber TPM, enterprise grade production with Windows Hello Face Sign In. The software is Windows 10 Home, Microsoft 365, which also has a 30-day trial. The sensor is Ambition Light sensor, accelerometer, and then gyroscope magnetometer. We have different storage and a battery life of 10.5, graphics, a connection of headphone jack, the camera video of Windows Hello Face. It has a wireless Wi-Fi 6, exterior of casing, signature unibody, and a warranty of 1 year limited hardware warranty. Now, let's say you were so excited about this and you buy this. What will come in the box? The Surface Pro 7, the power supply, the quick start guide, and safety and warranty documents all will come in it. Wait, it does not include the cover, and as you can see, the i3 and i5 generation has the 1.70 lb. That's basically 775 grams, not even 1 kilogram, and then the i7 is a bit more 1.74. That's just 790 grams, not even 1 kilogram. Lightest laptops are 1 kilogram, so that's really good and easy and perfect. Just best-in-class support from Microsoft Store. So it has 60-day return policy, 9 days of free technical phone support, and a 12-month in-store support and technical assistance. So you want free training session to transfer data and optimize performance. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Plus, it's always good to have more information about this, isn't it? So, go check it out. We put it in the description box below so you can easily access it. And yeah, we hope you enjoy looking at it and you may end up buying it. You never know. The resources we used was www.microsoft.com. We give them credit for their amazing work, and also you guys who are watching can make sure this is completely reliable because we just use their website and kind of analyzed their product. So their product is amazing. We recommend buying it. Go check out the Amazon link, buy it for yourself or your family and friends, especially Christmas nice way. So it's a really good gift to be given. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to bring more videos for you every day. If you have any ideas or what videos you want to see next, comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!